In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable customer accounts in Shopify in under a minute. Setting up customer accounts on Shopify is a great way to enhance the shopping experience for your customers, allowing them to track orders, manage addresses, and enjoy a more personalized experience on your site. Let's dive in and get those customer accounts activated swiftly and efficiently. Firstly, start by logging into your Shopify admin page. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your store. It's the central hub for managing all aspects of your online shop. From this home page, we're going to navigate to the settings. You'll find the settings option on the lower left hand side of the admin panel. It might seem like a small step, but accessing the settings is crucial for customizing how your store operates and appears to your customers. With the settings page open, the next step is to locate and click on the customer accounts option. This is where you'll manage your customer account preferences, so it's an important section of the admin panel. Here, Shopify provides a streamlined way to adjust whether customers can check out as guests or must create an account. For today, our focus is on enabling those accounts to give your customers the best experience possible. Once you're in the customer accounts section, look for the option that says show login links. You'll want to ensure that this option is turned on. Showing login links on your store means your customers will easily notice and access the login page, allowing them to sign in or create a new account as needed. This small tweak can significantly improve the customer experience, making the purchasing process smoother and more efficient. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully enabled customer accounts on your Shopify store. Remember, having customer accounts not only improves the user experience, but also opens up opportunities for enhanced marketing and customer relationship management. It's an easy way to encourage repeat business, loyalty, and potentially increase sales through personalized marketing strategies. Before finishing up, it's always a good idea to double check that everything is working as expected. Consider testing the feature by navigating to your store's homepage as a customer would. Make sure the login links are visible and functioning properly. This additional step can ensure that there are no hiccups in your customer's journey, keeping everything seamless and professional. Thank you so much for joining me in this quick tutorial on enabling customer accounts in Shopify. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials and tips to make the most of your online store. Have a fantastic day.